Welcome to BUNKR. If you're just getting started, this video will help. First, we'll go over a brief overview. I'll show you what you can store in your vault, talk about connecting and inviting others, and then messaging and sharing. Let's get started with the overview. Inside BUNKR, you can securely store life's important pieces of information like files and documents, passwords, and notes. Privately communicate within trusted groups or direct messages. Next up, Vault. To get started, you'll create folders so that you can keep your files and documents organized and easy to find when you need them. In fact, you don't even need cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity to access anything in your BUNKR. Upload files from your phone, computer, or iPad, or use our in-app scanner to turn physical documents into PDFs. Create passwords to keep track of usernames and login credentials, or things like combinations or PINs. We also have a password import option on our desktop version. Use notes to plan trips, track projects, or jot down something you might need for a quick reference before deleting it. You can also manage your to-do lists by checking things off when you've completed them. Next up, connecting and inviting others. BUNKR is an invite-only messaging system, which means no one can communicate with you unless you've approved it. This eliminates spam, fraudsters, and imposters from trying to take advantage of you. You can even click to validate that they're a known contact in your phone. If you accept their request, you can immediately start messaging with them. You can invite people into your BUNKR by going to Messages and clicking on the Compose button in the top right corner. This will bring up your phone's contact sheet. From here, you can see which of your contacts are already in BUNKR, and if you scroll down a bit further, who has not yet joined BUNKR. You can also track which invitations are pending. Mine are blurred for privacy. Next are groups. Now, anyone within the chat can add new members by going to View Details and clicking Add Members. Doing this will send a request to the owner of the chat, who can ultimately decide whether they decline or accept new members joining. And last but not least, if you find yourself inside of a group chat with people that you're not already connected to, you can go to View Details and click Connect. This will automatically send them a connection request, and if they accept, you can open a direct message with them. Next up, messaging and sharing. With group and direct messages, everything that you send in BUNKR is private and secure. You can chat, send photos, videos, voice recordings, or anything that you've loaded into your vault. Messaging inside of BUNKR is completely seamless between Apple and Android. You can share files, notes, and passwords. If someone has sent you any of this, you can easily save it to your vault for safekeeping. Just download it and pick where you want it stored. We hope this video helped, and if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to BUNKR support in your direct messages. And if you're really enjoying it, we would appreciate you leaving a review on the App Store or the Play Store. Thanks and have a great day.